factors has a weak negative correlation. The correlation coefficient of the ages of females to males is negative 0.17192. We got this number by using the Excel formula equals coral and inputting the addresses of the female age range and the male age range.
The correlation coefficient is approximately negative 0.17192. This value indicates a weak negative linear relationship between the ages of female and male Academy Award winners. However, the correlation is not strong, suggesting that the ages of female and male winners do not strongly correlate in a linear fashion. The correlation coefficient of negative 0.17192 indicates a weak negative linear relationship between the ages of female and male Academy Award winners. This means that as the age of one gender tends to increase, the age of the other gender tends to slightly decrease, but the relationship is not strong. Interpreting outliers in this context involves identifying data points that significantly deviate from the general trend suggested by the correlation coefficient upon examining the provided data. The pair 60 in this context involves identifying data points that significantly deviate from the general trend suggested by the correlation coefficient upon examining the provided data. The pair 61 and 45 represents the female winner aged 61 and the male winner aged 45. This data point appears as an outlier because the age of the female winner is notably higher compared to other observations, while the age of the male winner is relatively moderate. The pair 62-39 also stands out as an outlier with a female winner aged 62 and a male winner aged 39. Here are the age of female winner is exceptionally high, while the age of the male winner is comparatively low. Another potential outlier is the pair 22 and 55, where the female winner is age 22 and the male winner is age 55. This data point is notable because the age of female winner is significantly lower than the rest of the observations, while the age of the male winner is relatively high. These outliers represent years where the age of either the female or male winner deviated substantially from the typical range of ages observed in other years. They could indicate unique circumstances surrounding specific award ceremonies or exceptional performances by winners. However, their influence on the overall correlation is relatively limited due to weak correlation coefficient, suggesting that they may not strongly affect the relationship between ages of female and male Academy Award winners. The correlation coefficient of negative 0.17192 suggests a weak negative linear relationship between the ages of female and male Academy Award winners. This coefficient alone does not indicate any specific grouping problems or fishing for correlation. Grouping problems typically arise when data is improperly grouped or categorized, leading to biased or misled results. In this case, the provided data consists of pairs ages for female and male winners in selected years, which does not inherently involve grouping issues. Fishing for correlation refers to the practice of conducting multiple statistical tests or exploring various combinations of variables until a significant correlation is found without prioritized justification. However, since the correlation coefficient has already been provided, there is no indication of fishing for correlation in this context.
Calculate the slope correlation coefficient equals negative 0.17192. The compute standard deviation for both variables. Standard deviation for female winners is 13.45 and standard deviation for male winners is 9.67. Calculate the y-intercept, and the mean for ages of female winners is 37.92, and the mean ages of male winners is 45.31. So the equation for the best fit line is y equals negative 0.12342x plus 49.9931. Evaluate the model's performance. To assess how well the model fits the data, we typically look at the coefficient of determination. The coefficient correlation is extremely close to 0. It indicates the model explains almost none of the variability in the data. Therefore, the model does not fit the data well. The low value suggests that the linear regression model with the provided correlation coefficient does not adequately capture the relationships between the female and male award winners. To make predictions of the various ages of the female winners, we can substitute each age into the equation of the best fit line derived from the linear regression model. The equation is y equals negative 0.1234 to x plus 49.9931, where y represents the predicted ages of the male winners and x represents the ages of female winners. The ages of male winners, to make a prediction of the different female winners, the age of female winner 20, y would equal negative 0.12342 times 20 plus 49.9931. The y would then equal negative 2.46 84 plus 49.9931, and the y would come down and equal to 47.5247. The predicted age of the male winner when the age of the female winner is 20 is approximately 47.52 years.